Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Ruby Jean Edar Saking. I am 34 years old from Isabela, Philippines. I am 2 years graduate in college, happily married with two kids. The eldest is a girl, she is 12 years old, and the youngest is a boy, and he is 4 years old. I have experience working as a housemaid, office clerk, and a factory worker. But my experience as a plain housewife and a hands-on mother of two children is enough for me to apply as a DH in Hong Kong. I want to work here because I want to help my husband to earn money for the good future of our children. I can do housework such as cleaning, cooking, doing grocery shopping, washing clothes, and many more. I also know how to take care of a child. I am flexible and willing to learn. To my future employer, if you hire me, I promise to take good care of your family and treat like my own. I am hardworking, loyal, trustworthy, and God-fearing. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you and God bless.